Introducing the flamboyant CEO of Toyota, a forerunner in the automotive sector. He has fascinated the globe with his daring forecasts and innovative tactics. He is well known for his contentious claim that this engine will bankrupt the entire EV industry. As we explore this mesmerizing visionary's mind, get ready for an exciting voyage. Akio Toyoda, the CEO of Toyota, made a contentious remark in a recent interview that shocked the auto industry. Toyota asserted that the new engine technology developed by his company is so groundbreaking that it might bring down the entire electric vehicle market. Let's investigate the consequences of this fascinating issue and daring claim in depth. Over the past 10 years, the automotive industry has seen a dramatic development with the growth of electric cars. Consumers and governments throughout the world have shown an increasing interest in cleaner and more sustainable transportation options as concerns about climate change and air pollution have grown. Compared to traditional combustion engine vehicles, EVs have a number of benefits. They have zero tailpipe emissions, which lowers air pollution and improves the quality of the air in cities. Additionally, because electricity is typically less expensive than gasoline, EVs have lower running costs than their gasoline-powered counterparts. Due to the fact that electric vehicles have fewer moving parts and don't require frequent oil changes or engine tune-ups, their maintenance requirements are also often lower. Major automakers have recognized the potential of EVs and have been investing heavily in research and development to improve their technology. Companies like Tesla, Nissan, and Chevrolet have introduced popular electric models that have gained widespread recognition and acceptance. Governments around the world have also offered incentives and subsidies to promote the adoption of EVs, further fueling their popularity. Imagine a future where strong machinery can carry out its responsibilities without causing environmental damage. This future is closer than you might believe, thanks to JCB's groundbreaking invention. An innovative strategy has been used by JCB, a renowned producer of engines for heavy machinery, to satisfy the demands of power-hungry sectors, including agriculture and construction. Many automakers are switching to electric engines, but JCB discovered that their heavy-lifting equipment wouldn't be suitable for the new technology. The enormous power that these devices demand can simply not be produced by electric engines. To achieve the ideal balance between power and environmental sustainability, JCB embarked on a mission. JCB has made significant progress by creating hydrogen-powered engines with power potentials comparable to those of diesel engines. These engines are abundant and sustainably supplied, emit no hazardous emissions, and benefit the environment. Drivers will benefit from this invention by having access to strong machines that help keep the environment clean. However, battery technology is impracticable for large vehicles and industrial equipment, making battery-powered heavy gear uneconomical. As a result of their research and experiments, JCB was able to demonstrate the complexity and high expense of battery cells for heavy machinery by integrating a Nissan fuel cell into a prototype 20-ton X-Series excavator. The research by JCB sheds important light on the difficulties of electrifying large machinery. Even though electric car technology and improvements are astounding, we must acknowledge that heavy industries have certain energy requirements. The state of battery technology today cannot readily satisfy these needs. So, as we envision a world powered by renewable energy, it's crucial to recognize the problems and look into their options. Innovation, after all, doesn't involve taking the simple path. Rather, it entails pushing boundaries and discovering intriguing alternatives that achieve the ideal mix between efficacy, affordability, and environmental responsibility. We are still on our way, and we are eagerly awaiting the innovation that will enable us to electrify even the largest machinery. Despite being a closely kept secret, Toyota's engine invention is claimed to be a breakthrough in overcoming the drawbacks of electric vehicles. While EVs have become more popular because of their effectiveness and advantages for the environment, they still have problems like range anxiety and lengthy charging times. Toyota's new engine technology strives to overcome these constraints while outperforming the effectiveness and performance of electric powertrains. Although there are few specifics available about Toyota's engine technology, Toyota asserts that it provides a solution that blends the finest aspects of both worlds. It may be possible to provide a strong alternative to pure EVs by outperforming electric powertrains in terms of performance and efficiency. Long charging periods, which can be annoying for some users, and range anxiety, in which drivers worry about running out of battery power during long trips, may also be reduced as a result. Toyota's engine technology might disrupt the EV market and cause other manufacturers to rethink their business models if it lives up to its claim. It might also provide consumers who are hesitant to completely adopt pure EVs because of the aforementioned restrictions with an alluring alternative. To what extent Toyota's engine innovation will be effective and how it will be embraced by consumers and the industry are both open questions. Toyota has a track record of making successful breakthroughs, including its groundbreaking work in hybrid technology with the Prius range. While the Mirai model, they have demonstrated a commitment to environmentally friendly transportation and made an investment in the hydrogen fuel cell technology. Toyota shows its commitment to looking for innovative answers to the problems EVs face by quietly developing this new engine technology. Akio Toyoda, CEO of Toyota, is renowned for his creative and progressive approach to the automotive sector. Toyota has adopted a different approach, concentrating on a wide variety of sustainable transportation solutions, while several automakers have completely embraced pure electric vehicles. Toyota's successful Prius lineup, which invented hybrid technology, is one of its most notable contributions to sustainable transportation. Hybrids offer increased fuel efficiency and lower pollution by combining an internal combustion engine and an electric motor. Hybrids, according to some detractors, are merely a transitional technology, and they wonder whether Toyota's dedication to hybrid is in line with the quickly changing automotive industry. Toyota has also made investments in hydrogen fuel cell technology, as shown by the Mirai vehicle that is currently on the market. Hydrogen and oxygen are combined to create energy in fuel cell automobiles, which solely produce water vapor as a byproduct. Although this technology has great potential, it has had to overcome obstacles such as a lack of infrastructure for fueling with hydrogen and a high cost of production. Toyota's vision for the future is now much more intriguing in light of the company's assertion that it has developed a revolutionary engine technology that might upend the EV market. Will this engine really put up a fight against EV dominance and offer a more complete option for sustainable transportation? Or is it a calculated strategy to set them apart from rival automakers and hold onto their market share? Your input and participation are crucial in this. How do you feel about Toyota's strategy? Do you think their long-term plan of concentrating on hybrids and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles is a good one? Or should they be investing more in pure EVs? What do you think about purchasing a Toyota fuel cell or hybrid car? Or do you prefer the all-electric models offered by rival automakers? It is essential to take into account a number of aspects in order to assess the effects of Toyota's engine technology. What sort of reaction will other automakers have to this possible disruption? Can Toyota's innovation answer the escalating worries about air pollution and climate change, which have been major factors in the emergence of EVs? Will consumers accept this different approach or stick with their current preference for EVs? Do you think the entire EV sector could go bankrupt due to Toyota's engine technology? Or do you believe that this invention won't affect how well the EV market performs? Without taking into account a number of aspects, the influence of Toyota's engine technology cannot be adequately measured. How other automakers will react to this possible disruption is an important factor. If Toyota's innovation succeeds and captures a sizable proportion of the market, it might inspire other automakers to invest in comparable technologies or develop their own original solutions. The response of rival businesses will be crucial in determining the industry's overall impact. Toyota's engine technology may be able to help tackle issues with air pollution and climate change. Technology may be considered a step in the right direction if it increases fuel efficiency while lowering pollution. It is crucial to remember that the emergence of electric vehicles has been motivated by the desire to entirely abandon fossil fuels. Although an improvement, Toyota's engine technology might not fully allay these worries to the same degree as EVs. Another important variable in deciding the impact of Toyota's engine technology will be consumer acceptability. Others may still favor EVs for a variety of reasons, including lower emissions, government subsidies, or a desire to be at the forefront of technical breakthroughs, even though other buyers may appreciate the alternate answer offered by Toyota. The acceptance of Toyota's engine technology by customers and its ability to live up to their expectations will be key factors in determining its success. It is doubtful that the EV business would go bankrupt due to Toyota's engine technology. Toyota's invention might provide a different approach, but EVs have gained a lot of momentum recently and have support from both governments and consumers. Additionally, as battery technology and charging facilities advance, the EV business will continue to grow and be viable due to these developments. In conclusion, evaluating the impact of Toyota's engine technology requires considering various factors, such as the response of other automakers, its ability to address concerns about climate change and air pollution, consumer acceptance, and the overall dynamics of the EV industry. While Toyota's innovation may disrupt the industry to some extent, it is unlikely to bankrupt the entire EV industry, which is expected to continue thriving due to its own advancements and market demand.